If you avoid Salata Aswat due to the amount of oil it contains, gather here because we are making a healthier version of this classic Sudanese dish. Salata Aswat is a cooked eggplant salad. It's cooked with onions, tomatoes, and peanut butter. This dish varies from one family to another, so this is how I make mine. Greetings to you all and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, you're most welcome to asedoskitchen, and for my returning viewers and subscribers, welcome back. To start, I peel and chop an eggplant. I place it in a bowl, add salt and black pepper and some extra virgin olive oil. I don't season it too much at this stage because I'll adjust the salt and seasoning after bringing all the ingredients together. I toss the bowl a couple of times, add it into the air fryer basket and spread it evenly. Then I spray it with oil and air fry it at 200 degrees for 20 minutes, flipping halfway through. While this is cooking, I continue the second part of the salad. I prepare the rest of the ingredients. I chop the onions and tomatoes and cut the lemon in half. Before cutting the lemon, I roll it on the chopping board as shown here, as it makes it easier for the juice to come out of the pulp. I now heat some oil and fry the onions. Once they start browning, I add the tomatoes, a little water and cumin powder. Always add the water in little increments to avoid overwatering the salad. I cook this covered for 2 to 3 minutes or until the tomatoes soften. At this point, I add the peanut butter and a little water. I also add the air-fried eggplant, the juice of half a lemon and salt to taste. I adjust the water level, stir to combine, and cook this covered for 10 minutes on the lowest heat setting. This is mostly served as a side dish. It can be eaten with kisra and bread rolls. It also makes a great filling for your sandwiches, rolls, and wraps. Our Salata Aswat is now ready, and the aroma in the kitchen is so good. If you enjoyed this recipe, kindly give this video a big thumbs up, engage in the comments below, share, and tap the subscribe button. Remember to hit the notification bell if you'd like to be notified of my upcoming uploads. Thanks for stopping by, and see you all in my next video.